I'm going to show you guys how to fix a lifting bridge. So I just got this guitar and I got it a deal because this was lifting. So to start with, it was bolted down. And if you go underneath, you stick your hand underneath there, you'll feel these nuts. So I unscrewed the nuts and then was able to wiggle this off. Luckily for me, it was pretty easy because the glue had already been completely broken. But if it's not, sometimes it's halfway broken. And what you have to do for that is you get a steamer and you put a bunch of steam on it until the glue gets soft. That's the best way. Or I guess you could try to pry it off. But heating it up works the best. You might even be able to take an iron and heat it up, put a towel over it, heat it up. Yeah, those are different ways to get it off. But now since it is off, I can't just put it back on because if you notice it rocks. So I'm still going to use the same one, but what I'm going to do is I have a glass table in my kitchen. You could also do this with like a marble table or a piece of glass because it's super flat. So what you do is you lay a sheet of sandpaper, like a, let's see here. Let's pretend like this was a sheet of sandpaper that you laid on your marble counter or something. And then you take it and you just go back and forth to smooth out the bottom. You'll get a perfectly flat bottom. A key to doing it is you want to, what I do is you count. I'll go like 1, 2, 3, and then I'll turn it around and I'll do the same exact thing. 1, 2, 3, and then you turn it around. Or you might go like, you might do it 30 times on one side and 30 times on the other, because it'll actually, your hand puts pressure on different parts of it. So if you don't turn it, then one side will end up wearing down more than the other. And then after that, it'll be perfectly flat, and then you can put it back on, and you put some glue on it. You can use wood glue. You can use Elmer's glue. Yeah, just any wood glue. And then I think people used to use hide glue, but usually just regular wood. Elmer's glue works. You can use Gorilla Glue with polyurethane. That stuff's, it's like the best glue, but I think it's too good because you can't fix it. If something goes wrong, you can't steam it and get it off. So really the best thing is just wood glue. Okay, good luck with that, people.